You're getting me second string 8th fret. Right, good, good. Second string 8th fret, first string 7th fret. Da, 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 da. Yes, then second from 8th string, first string 8th fret, 7th fret, 6th fret. Da, 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 da. So on first string you have to come back from 8, 7, 6. Okay. Slowly. Da, 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 da. Good. Then second string 7th fret. Okay. Da, da. Second fret, 7th fret, and 8th fret. Da, da. Play. Second string 7th and 8th fret. Da, da. Yes. Da, da. Then first string 7th and 6th. Da, da. 7, 6. First string. Then third string 3rd fret. Yeah, third string 3rd fret. Then second string open. First string 7th fret. So it goes like this. See. Da, 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 da. Third fret, third string, 3rd fret, second string open, first string, 7th fret. You also can see the notes, right? Notes are there, are given. Good, good. Again, same thing, repeat. 7, 7, 8, 7, 8, 7. Again, 8, 7. Yeah. Then second string 8 2, first string 10th fret, 9th fret, 8th fret. Second string 8 2, first string 10th fret, 9th fret, 8th fret. Should go like this. See? Wow. Then then again second string 9th fret, first string 8 7 6. Da, 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 da. Then third string 3rd fret. Again first string 3. Oh, that's it.